Suppose that 1 Swiss franc could be purchased in the foreign exchange market for 60 US cents today. If the franc appreciated 10% tomorrow against the dollar, how many francs would a dollar buy tomorrow? Let's take a look at how we might solve this one.
Let's take a look at this currency appreciation problem. It's problem 26-5. Suppose that 1 Swiss franc could be purchased in the foreign exchange market for 60 US cents today. If the franc appreciated 10% tomorrow against the dollar, how many francs would a dollar buy tomorrow? Okay, I want to move right here, and I want to enter this in terms of the ratio of US dollars to Swiss francs. And we know that 60 cents US dollar to 1 Swiss franc is the value of a Swiss franc in US dollars, 60 cents. Now, we could also value it the other way around, the value of a Swiss franc to the US dollar. So it would be equal to 1 Swiss franc divided by 0.6. And that would come out to be 16.67. Oh, I have an error there. Times 0.6. That's better. So $1 would be equal to 1.67 Swiss francs. All right, now let's go back to our first example. What's the value of a dollar to, what's the value of, let me say that another way. 1 Swiss franc is worth how much dollars? How many dollars today? It was 60 cents, but tomorrow we need to change that formula just slightly. So I'm going to copy the formula, and I'm going to say 60 cents is now equal to 1.1 franc, because the franc appreciated 10% tomorrow. So 1 times 1.1 will give us our 10% value. And what we determined is if the franc appreciated 10% against the dollar, then a Swiss franc would now cost us 66 cents. Now we can also look at it in terms of what does $1 cost us in terms of Swiss francs. And here we would have to take the 1 Swiss franc divided by the 60 cents, but we've had an appreciation of 10% against the dollar. We multiply it times 1.1, and we see that tomorrow $1 would buy us $1.52 of Swiss francs. And that's my approach to solving 26-5.